Hi guys, welcome to my channel Game of Trades. So today I will be analyzing Tata Motor. This is in relation to the question that was asked in my WhatsApp group. So firstly the disclaimer. So whatever information you are getting through this YouTube channel is entirely for educational purpose, and any trade that you take based on the suggestions made here is entirely your responsibility as well as its outcome, and I can't be held legally responsible for it. So Tata Motors, after a huge rally which started from this level, it started correcting a series of red candles, finally culminating into W pattern, and then it went up, and then it started declining. So I believe this level target for this W pattern should be complete. So let's check it out. So this is 420 and this is 300, so difference is 120. Now if I add 120 to 420, this will be 540. So this label is, yes, so this label is 540. So it completed its W pattern bang on target, and then it started to fall down, and then from this label we have to keep watch because this is a flag pattern and we have to see what is happening here. We will see that what is happening at a smaller time frame before we can come to the conclusion. So RSI currently at monthly chart is struggling. Now let's move to weekly chart. So on weekly time frame, let's say that we after this fall it is again started to go up, and if you see the RSI level here at this level or at this level or at this level, so let me draw a trend line here. So if you see, RSI is constantly making lower lows, while uh, so at each low RSI is becoming lower. That means it is forming uh, positive reversal. So I'm not talking of divergence, I'm talking of, so we have positive and negative reversal. Also I have made a video on this. You can search that RSI, positive and negative reversals. So so here it is forming bullish reversal, that is positive reversal, and actually if you want to buy you should have bought here and then this should be the target. But then now what we should do now, this is typical flag pattern bounded by two channels. Now RSI, if I see, so this was let me draw one horizontal line. So if you see, this level of RSI is quite prominent, that is 50, this is around 53. So this is a place where it has taken support several times, right? uh, Here it, also if I go back, so it has been taking support at this level many times. So this level becomes quite uh, important for Tata Motors, and now once it crosses it, now it has taken support again here. So see the corresponding price action. Now after that it started to go up, and same happened to the price. So here it has taken a breakout, which is a positive sign if you want to go on the long side. But then this channel has to be broken, and now if you see, this is the horizontal resistance line currently which I have drawn. If you see, this was the resistance, here it became support, here it became support, here then there was a breakdown, again it went up, there was a breakout again, then at this level it came down, there was a gap, and this line is nearly to that level. So there is a, it gapped down and it formed a and it touched, it opened at this line, and then again it crossed it, the gap was filled, this line became resistance, it came down, and then this line, this horizontal line became resistance, again this became resistance. So if at all it has to break out, right, if it always has to break out of this channel, what it will do is it will break out and then it will touch here. So for a target of 480 you can go long, but then exit at this place, because possibly what might happen that it will come down again, take support here, let's say maybe in the range of 460, 460, let's say, so 460 to 440, so 20 points support it will take. So if at all you want to go long, then make this point as, so what's the current price of 447. So if 447 is the current price now, okay, so I'm currently looking weekly chart, I will come back later, but then if you want to go for a target, first make a target of 480 and exit here, uh, before you will get another chance to re-enter again. So this should be your first target, and possibly after that it will retrace. So we'll see how it pans out. If I see daily chart, so in daily chart it has already RSI has already gone above 60, so it is showing momentum, and possibly this long side trade will go on. So you can place a stop loss of around 425, and then you can go on the long side and first keep a target as 4. You can also take profit at 470 to 480 range, but then once you take profit here, then wait for some time and see what happens here, because possible a retracement will happen and then again it will break out. So possibly a breakout may happen in Tata Motors, and then that would be the time for you to go long, but still you can go long, and the target and SL I have already defined. So that's it for now. If you have any other queries, you can ask me in my WhatsApp group, and or you can post in the comment section. And if you want to join my WhatsApp group, then you can ping me on the number provided in the description. So thanks for watching. Bye for now.